All right, good morning everybody. I'm here at a rest area along I-4. We are heading towards Ridge Island Groves this morning, which is in Haines City, Florida. It's off of Old Polk City Road. I found this place through their Facebook page actually, and it's a typical grove where you can go and pick fruit and do that, this and that. Well, they also are gonna have a taco truck out there today only, and they're having a special blend of blueberry and peach soft serve ice cream. So we're gonna head on over to Haines City and go check this place out. Let's go make some memories. Hey, that's what you think of our channel? You're walking away? Buddy! I subscribe to your channel, Chick-fil-A.com. Hey, buddy.
They do have bathrooms over here where you can stop in if you need to. I'm not sure if there's any inside. And then this is their blueberries. But these are weird. They don't actually have they don't have them planted. They're in these containers.
And they do have grove tours here too that you can take. I think it's like $9 to do the grove tour, and then they let you pick a little bit of fruit when you're on the tour. I'm not sure how much.
Oh, okay. Pretty flowers. We're about to head over and eat these tacos. Hopefully they're delicious. They smell good. I could smell the onion on them. Yeah. So I can't wait to try them. Oh, okay, this one might be mine. So I got two different tacos. Maybe it's slushed around a little bit. I got a chicken regular taco and then what they call a birria. Not sure what that is, but we'll try it. And then this is two chicken tacos. Sounds good. Can't wait to dig in. This is my brother. He came with us and he got the two birria.
Whatever they are.
Birria, she called them. I don't know. They have cheese and meat and stuff. Yeah. They look good. And he got the spicy sauce. And he said it was what? Was it good?
Really good.
Really good? Alright. Have you tried yours yet, little one? Careful! Your food just almost flew away.
Well, that's a
minute. Really good.
These are what people call street tacos, where it has like the corn tortilla, which I know a lot of people are used to. Especially in the US, they're used to flour tortillas. I actually like corn ones better.
Oh, okay. And yours was chicken, the ones you're trying right now?
Yeah, I got two chicken and one beef.
Good stuff, right? Very good. I just tried the chicken, it's really good. Really yummy.
What'd you get? Two chicken? Chicken's good, right? And then after this, we get to have dessert.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They have peach cobbler, blueberry cobbler, and the other thing they advertised on their Facebook page was a peach blueberry mix of soft serve. I'm definitely trying that.
Oh yeah. Right here, trading. Taco.
Este papi es un loco. Good, good. Oh, gourmet tortilla chips, Daddy. I wonder if they're good. Quite a few selections here. Blueberries. Oh, a big one of it. Got one of those in Mexico.
It's like a coconut shell, isn't it?
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Today is Saturday, right?
Dude, you're here.
Yeah, I guess this lawyer is representing the people that XRP and
I got the strawberry tangerine. They got like little samples. You can try it. Let's see how it is.
Good?
Ooh, that's really good.
So we got peach,
Yes,
blueberry,
it's
soft served, mixed. Try it. Is it good?
very good.
That was a quick try. How about you?
Excellent. I don't think it's a great idea before jumping out of a plane, but definitely worth it.
So I took a little bit from the kiddos soft serve, and it is a really good combination. It's not very overpowering. It's soft, and the flavors blend in pretty good. I've never tasted a mix like that, but I would get it again. Are the flavors yummy? Can you taste the flavors? Yeah? This was the blueberry cobbler. We haven't tried it yet, but we're about to. Here we go.
good stuff.
That's delicious.
Oh my god.
That's some good blueberry cobbler.
That is delicious. So we just finished eating lunch and eating dessert. What'd you think?
It was delicious. I liked everything. I liked the tacos. The soft serve was really good. Prices weren't terrible. I think we spent...
Well, I know total we spent like 33 bucks, and that was for tacos, the ice
I
cream,
know, but
the
there's
cobbler,
4 of us here,
drink.
so it was definitely,
Yeah.
I think, reasonably priced. Reasonably...
Is that weird?
I think it was reasonably priced. I don't even know if I still said that right. So anyway, don't forget to check out their Facebook page if you would like to find out what their the flavors that they're adding, what new events they have coming up. It's definitely a good spot to come by, and the prices weren't bad. So check it out.
Yeah, just kind of scrolling through their page, I saw they had strawberry ice cream when it was like Plant
Strawberry
City
shortcake.
Yeah, the strawberry shortcake in the one photo looked amazing.
I'm so sad I missed that.
Yeah, when
So,
strawberry season comes, we're coming back.
yeah, definitely. And orange creamsicle type one. So awesome.
Yeah.
Come check it out. And so yeah, I think we're done.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you're subscribed to the channel, thank you. If you're not, hit that button down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Lets us know that you enjoy what we're putting out there. Leave us a comment. If you had your choice of any kind of soft serve ice cream, what kind would you make? Because blueberry peach swirl was something we've never heard of before.
No.
Even before we ordered it, we got like a sample.
And it was good.
Yeah, and then we ended up getting 3 cones, so it was good. It was
I might get another one before we leave. Who knows?
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.